What you got there?
I've got a little box.
Let's see this
I know
box.
it looks like a little twig. It's a little box.
Can I see all sides of it?
Yeah, so it's here. This is the first one I've done, so I'll probably make the next one a little bit better. I used the bandsaw, first of all.
What's a bandsaw?
It's a big saw with a continuous like blade, like a big rubber band, but it's full of teeth that goes round and round and round. It's a big, powerful saw. And slice the...
How would you hold a stick like that small against a big, powerful saw?
You use a push stick.
A what?
A push stick. I'll show you another time, okay?
Okay.
So I took the bottom off because it needed to have a flat bum to hold on. And then I sliced this top bit off here.
Let me see.
Okay, and then I used a Forstner bit. One in the drill, do you want to see?
Yeah.
Come over here. So this is a Forstner bit.
Why?
It's like a drills you big holes. They come in different sizes. This one's 25mm in diameter, about an inch for your for the Americans amongst you. And I put that into here and clamped this down and set it so I knew how far to go. And then inside, you can see there, I've laser cut a little bit of this veneer, stick in the bottom, and then I've engraved the green man on this. So this disc is made of laser ply, and that's also 25mm in diameter. So the two snugly make a little connection in the top there. That's probably slightly off with my gluing, but not bad for the first attempt. I mean, you could open that up, couldn't you? You could have a little secret message in there, a little love message. And it's made just for something like a ring. There's my ring in there, look. You could have a little pair of earrings or something like that. Or a little love note, maybe.
Could you hide that outside? Would it be waterproof?
Yeah, I'm going to, the next thing I'll do tomorrow. I think we've had enough today. We're going home now. I've had enough to go home for some tea.
You don't drink tea.
I'll put some oil on it to finish it. Food tea. No, I don't like tea. Alright, so there's my little wooden box. I've got these here, look, ready. These are made...
Oh, it's big ones.
Yeah, big ones. These are made of horse chestnut. So again, I've flattened the bottom. That one there, I've just sanded it back. But they're a bit damp, so I need to let them dry out a bit. I probably should have waited. I didn't realise how wet the wood was. But this was actually from the Tramway Museum. So we're going to make products with their wood, which is lovely, and then sell them in their shops. So watch out for our Shop Reddish logo if you go in there. Have a go on the tram. Pop in, see if you can spy us.